I need you to stop scrolling for just 1 second because I literally just found an AI training job paying up to $110 an hour. And there are 52 spots right now. You don't need AI experience. You don't need a degree. You just need to know JavaScript, TypeScript, or React. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what this job is, who qualifies, and what the day-to-day looks like, and tips that are going to make your application stand out above everyone else, and why this AI training category is about to completely change how people earn income from home. All of that is coming, so don't go anywhere. Let's get into it. What's up, everyone? I'm Jordan E. If it's your first time here, if it's not, then welcome back. So I've been covering AI training opportunities on this channel recently, and I want to keep sharing these drops with you. So you did not misread that number. We are talking about a remote front end engineer position paying $60 to $110 an hour. It's a contract, fully remote, and there are 52 openings available right now. 52 openings at up to $110 an hour from home. You just need to know JavaScript, TypeScript, or React. And this video is your sign to apply. So go ahead and check out the description box because I got the link in there. But open it in another tab because I'm about to break everything down for you. Before I get into the details, I want to tell you a quick story because I think it perfectly sets up why this opportunity exists and why it matters so much right now. So let's say there's a front end developer. We'll call her Maya. Maya is genuinely talented. She knows JavaScript inside and out. She builds beautiful, fast, clean web applications. Her code is tight. Her users love her work. But Maya is exhausted. Maya commutes an hour each way. Half of her days is filled with meetings that could have been emails. She's getting paid not great. She feels like her skills are more valuable and she's being completely underutilized. Then one day, Maya discovers something that changes everything. AI companies need real front end engineers to help train their models on what good code actually looks like, what scalable architecture actually means, what a production ready website application actually is, and they are paying $110 an hour for it remotely with no AI experience required. Maya applied, Maya got in. Now, here's my question. Are you Maya? Because if you are, everything I'm about to share is going to feel like it was made specifically for you. So let's break it all down. The position is a front end engineer and it falls under what's called an AI job training role. Here's the plain English of what that means. AI models need to learn what expert level front end development actually looks like. They need to understand clean code versus messy code, good architecture versus shortcuts. So, scalable solutions versus quick fixes. Who's better to teach them that than an actual front end engineer who has been building real production applications in the real world? You bring your JavaScript, TypeScript, and React expertise, and you help train the AI. You get $60 to $110 an hour to do it wherever you are. And the job posting says that clearly no prior AI experience required, just your knowledge as a front end developer. So this is what AI job training looks like for developers right now. And with 52 openings, the door is wide open, but it's not going to stay that way. So make sure you apply to the link that's in the description box. What you'll actually be doing every day. And honestly, if you're already working front end developer, a lot of this is going to sound really familiar. First, you'll be architecting, developing, and maintaining scalable web interfaces using JavaScript and TypeScript, the core of what you already do, applied to an AI training context. Second, you're going to collaborate with designers, product managers, and backend engineers to deliver high quality solutions. Even remotely, this is a team environment, so communication is a core part of this role. Third thing, cross-browser compatibility, and performance optimization. Making sure applications run fast and smooth across all browsers and devices are the bread and butter of front-end work. That's also incredibly valuable for training AI in real-world standards. Fourth is implementing best practices in code reviews and continuous integration. They want someone who elevates the standard of the entire code base, not just their own work. Fifth, translating complex requirements into reusable components. This is the real art of front end engineering, taking something complicated and making it elegant. And that's exactly what AI models need to learn from real experts. Sixth, clear written and verbal communication, contributing to a strong remote team culture. In AI training, context, how you explain your decisions, is just as important as the decisions themselves, because your explanation shapes how the AI learns. And seventh is troubleshooting, debugging, and enhancing existing applications for optimal performance. Your problem solving experience is literally curriculum for AI. And the harder the bugs you squash, the more valuable you are. Now, let's talk about exactly who they want. And here are the required skills. Number one, you need a year plus of expert level proficiency in JavaScript and TypeScript with hands on experience in modern front end framework. 1 year is the minimum, but they want expertise, not just familiarity. So you have to be building something real and know these languages to qualify. Number two, demonstrated track record of delivering high quality production ready web applications. So it's portfolio time. If you've shipped real apps that real users have used, then that's your golden ticket. Have those examples ready before you apply. Number three, a strong ability to write clear and maintainable code, adhering to the industry standards. Clean code is not a skill that everyone has. So if you do, make sure you specify that. Number four, exceptional written and verbal communication skills for effective remote collaboration. This comes up in every single AI job training role I've covered, and it's always emphasized. The clearer you can explain your technical thinking, the more valuable you are. Number five, ability to work anonymously while staying aligned with border team goals, self starters only. Number five, your ability to work autonomously. So while staying aligned with the broad team goals, self starters only. If you need micromanaging, then this role might not be for you. But if you thrive independently, then it was built for you. Number six, you need a keen eye for detail and passion for delivering outstanding user experience. UX sensitivity is a real differentiator here. And if you UX sensitivity is a real differentiator here. If you care about how things feel, not just how they function, then make sure that comes through in your application. And number seven, proven experience troubleshooting and resolving complex front end issues. The harder the problems you've solved, the stronger your application. A few bonus things that will push your application to the top of the pile: background in building accessible and responsive web applications. Accessibility is increasingly crucial, and not enough developers prioritize it. If you do, that's going to help you stand out immediately. Experience working in distributed remote first engineering teams. If you've already have proven to work in a thriving full remote setting, then you can mention that in your application. And familiarity with agile and methodologies and modern development workflows. Sprints, stand-ups, CI/CD pipelines. Now here are a few bonus things that will push your application to the top of the pile. Background in building accessible and responsive web applications. Accessibility is increasingly crucial, and not enough developers prioritize it. If you do, you stand out immediately. Experience working in a distributed remote first engineering team. If you've already proven that you can thrive fully remotely, That removes a major question mark from your application. Mention it explicitly. I want to take a minute to zoom out and talk about the bigger picture here because I really think it's important for everyone watching this to understand what's actually happening right now. Front-end engineers are some of the most skilled professionals in the entire tech world. You spent years, probably many years, mastering JavaScript, TypeScript, React, optimizing performance, caring deeply about user experience. That expertise has value that goes way beyond any single employer or project. And right now, AI companies are waking up to that. They realize that to train AI to understand front-end development at a professional level, they need actual front-end professionals, not tutorials, not documentation, real engineers with real experience building real things. That's why this AI job training opportunity exists, and that's why the pay is as strong as $60 to $110 an hour. Reflects what your expertise is actually worth in this context. The developers who recognize this moment early are the ones who are going to have the most options. And I want you to be that. So, 52 openings right now. This is early and it's your moment to move. For me personally, finding and sharing these opportunities is how I build income without trading every single hour of my day. And that's exactly what these AI job training roles can do for you too. Flexible, remote, premium pay for skills you already have. Before you go grab that link, let me give you a tip on your application so it stands out. 1, lead with JavaScript or TypeScript. Name the languages explicitly and write it at the top. Don't make them search for it. 2, bring your portfolio. Production-ready apps, GitHub repos, anything showing real work in the real world. A working demo is worth 1,000 bullet points on a resume, so have links ready. And 3, highlighting your communication skills. Write a cover letter that itself is an example of clear professional communication. Show, don't just tell. If your cover letter is confusing and hard to read, that's a red flag for a role where communication is critical. 4, mention your remote experience. If you've worked remotely before, say so. It matters more than most people realize for these roles. 5, you're going to talk about your troubleshooting wins. Think of 2 or 3 specific examples of complex front-end problems you solved. Metadata issues, performance bottlenecks, cross-browser nightmares. Whatever your best stories are, have them ready. And 6, apply today. The link is in the description box right now. 52 openings. Sounds like a lot until the right people start finding out about it. So be early. Early applicants always have an advantage. All right, that is the complete breakdown of this front-end engineer AI training opportunity. $60 to $110 an hour, fully remote, contract position, 52 openings, and they're hiring right now. If you know JavaScript, TypeScript, or React, and you've been looking for a way to plug your skills into the AI economy, this is your on-ramp. Don't overthink it. Apply today. And if this is your first time on the channel, I am finding these remote AI job training opportunities every single day, and I'm bringing them straight to you. So hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications so you never miss when I drop one. And I also covered a $100 an hour Lightworks editing role last week with 40 openings. If that sounds more like your skill set, that video will be linked right here. So drop a comment below and tell me, what skill do you have? I read all the comments, and I just might find the perfect AI training role that matches exactly what you do. So hit the like button if this was helpful, and I will catch you in the next video.